Urhobo wa do. Make una talk pare. Biotari E Romoka. I want to talk about letter E that carries dot and how it sounds. Now, we have two letters E in Urhobo. One sound as A, which we have talked about, and this one sound as E. E as in air in English. E. This E that carry dot sound as E. Example are Ẹvwe, Ẹrhẹre, Kola. Ẹrhẹre, Ẹrhẹre, goat. Ẹban, nakedness. Ẹrhẹrhobọ, diabolic. Ẹchẹ, door. Ẹvan, alligator. Ẹrẹnvwe, tongue. Ẹbẹ, book. Ẹhẹrhre, ant hill. Ọphran, bird nest. Ẹsẹ, gift. Ẹtọ, hair. Ẹrhovwo, prayer. Ẹfuọn, holiness. Ẹmen, sound. Ẹrhọ, eye. Ẹrhovwo, prayer. Ẹruọ, understanding. Ẹruọ, understanding. Ẹdẹ, day. Ẹguọnọ, love. Ẹguọnọ, love. Ẹhẹrhobọ, hand palm. Ẹhẹrhowọ, foot palm. Ẹkpo, parts. Ẹkpo, in parts. Now I want to talk about one sentence in that you can use in the letter E that carries dot. One of the sentences are Ẹhẹrhowọ, Ẹhẹrhowọ gberi. Ẹhẹrhowọ gberi. Ẹhẹrhowọ gberi. My foot palm is dirty. Ẹhẹrhowọ gberi, foot palm, dirty. Ẹhẹrhowọ gberi, my foot palm is dirty. That is where I'm going to end the letter E that carries dot. So in our next class, we will talk about letter F. I want to thank you all for following up and for learning the Urhobo language. In fact, I'm very grateful. Thank you very much as we keep the Urhobo language in our minds so that we learn it and make Urhobo a special and a great place to be. I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye.